today's video, we are going to be comparing two of the most popular project management tools out there, which is ClickUp and Jira. Whether you are managing a small team or handling large complex projects, both tools offer powerful solutions to streamline your workflow. But how do they stack up against each other? So let's dive in and explore the key features, the pros and cons of each of the tools. So let's start with a quick overview of both platforms. So first, let us discuss what is ClickUp. So ClickUp is known for its all-in-one project management, whether you need to organize your tasks. So as you can see right here, these are all the tasks that I have created. You can also collaborate with your team right here and or track your progress. So ClickUp provides flexibility and customization for teams of all sizes. Now, on the other hand, Jira, this is developed by Atlassian. So this is widely regarded as the go-to tool for agile software development teams. It focuses heavily on issue tracking and agile project management, offering a robust tools for development cycles, even bug tracking and sprint planning. So now, what makes the ClickUp stand out? So the first thing that I am going to teach you or going to discuss is its customizable workspaces. So ClickUp right here allows you to create your workspace exactly how you need it with customizable views like list right here. This is the sample of the list, or this is what it should look like. And also boards. So this is the board right here, and Gantt charts and even calendar view. So if you want to access that, just hit this plus view icon right here and you'll have those different views. So you just need to select from the options that you have. So this makes it incredibly versatile for different industries and team needs. Now, what can also, or what is the most cool feature of ClickUp is also the task hierarchy and also the dependencies. So you can break down projects into tasks and subtasks. So I'm going to show you what that will look like. So I have here a sample task. So once I click onto this one and I have added, for example, I've added a subtask, I'll just need to click onto it, and then on the section right here, then I'll be able to locate my subtask. And not only that, again, you can also set task dependencies and create also recurring tasks. So this helps keep even the most complex project manageable. So ClickUp is also packed with team collaboration features, including built-in chat. So right here, you can also locate this on the plus view section. Once you scroll down, you'll see this chat. So in this chat section, you'll be able to chat with your team members that you have added into your task or into your workspace, for example. So also it has document sharing and commenting on tasks. So you can also assign multiple team members to tasks and track their progress in real time. Also, ClickUp integrates with over 1,000 tools, including Slack, I'm so sorry. So just need to click onto your profile situated on the left side part of your screen, and then go to apps and go to app center. So you'll have there different integrations or apps that you can use with your ClickUp. So this makes it easy to sync with other software that you may be already using. So for example, Dropbox, Figma, Google Drive, and so on. So lastly, what you can do, or one of the cool feature of ClickUp, is that you can track or the goal tracking and the reporting. So you can set goals, even track milestones if you want to. So right here, this is the goal section, or this is the goal feature. So you can also generate detailed reports to monitor progress over time. So this feature is perfect for staying on top of your KPIs. Now let's take a look at Jira. So Jira is built with agile teams in mind. So the first one that we are going to see here is the agile and the scrum boards. So its scrum and Kanban boards are perfect for planning and executing sprints, tracking progress, and also managing backlogs. So you can customize the workflow to match your team's progress. And also one of Jira's standout feature is is its advanced issue tracking. So from the moment a bug or task is logged, Jira allows you to manage it through every stage of development. So this makes it ideal for software development teams. Also for the other view or other template of Jira, you'll be able to see the product roadmap as a view for your project. So Jira's roadmaps feature helps you visualize your projects, timeline, and manage dependencies if you have that, and also plan long-term goals. So it is perfect for aligning your team on future releases and even updates. So Jira also have apps. So if you want to integrate different apps right here, just need to click onto this section and explore more apps. Then you'll be able to see all of your options or all of the options that you have in here. So you can integrate with other atlassian tools with artisan tools like Bitbucket or even Confluence, as well as DevOps tools like Jenkins and also GitHub. So this makes it a powerful choice for development teams working on complex software projects. Now for the automation, once you go onto your project, for example, right here on the left side part, you'll notice that I don't have the automation section or option yet. So what I need to do is to click onto this view button right here and hit more views. Then I'll be able to see an automation on the left hand side of my screen. So right here you can set up your automation rules in Jira to trigger specific actions like moving your tasks or even sending notifications. So this can save a lot of time on repetitive actions. So now let's break down the pros and cons of each platform. So for the ClickUp, this is highly customizable with a variety of views. So as you can see right here on my workspace, I'll be able to see all of my view options on this section. It is great for teams in different industries, not just development. So it also has comprehensive tools or collaboration tools, and it is cost effective. There's even a free plan. Now for the cons of ClickUp. So many features can feel overwhelming for new users. So that I understand that because the first time I have used ClickUp, this is quite overwhelming for me too. But in time, once you get used on the features, different features, and explore with all of the options that you have, then you'll be able to see the usage of each feature. So not Jira or I'm so sorry, ClickUp also is not as specialized for software development compared to Jira. So now for the pros of Jira. Jira is excellent for agile projects management. So as I said earlier, and also this is best in class for issue tracking and bug management. It also has strong integrations with DevOps tools. So if that is what you're looking for or that is the feature that is highly helpful for your project, then Jira is the go-to platform for you. Now for the cons, Jira has a steeper learning curve, especially for non-development teams, and it can be overkill for smaller teams or non-technical projects. So now, which tool is right for you? So if you're managing a software development team that relies on agile methodologies, then Jira is the clear winner. Its issue tracking and sprint planning capabilities are top-notch for any development cycle, but if you need a versatile, all-in-one platform that works for various industries, whether you're managing marketing, sales, or even product teams, then ClickUp might be your best bet. So it is more adaptable for teams looking for flexibility and collaboration, and its learning curve is a bit smoother, I might add. So at the end of the day, both ClickUp and Jira are excellent tools. It just depends on your team's specific needs. So if you want customization and versatility, go for ClickUp. But if you need robust features for software development and agile processes, Jira is the way to go. So I hope this comparison helped you to decide which platform suits your workflow better. So I hope you like this video or subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.